Well, I wanted to stop and show you this. I've got it down where I can turn it faster. We're down to solid wood. I'm about ready to cut my recess. And let me show you. There's water coming off of this wood. Here's a spot. You might be able to see it here. A minute ago, it was just, there was a sheen on the outside of it. I'm probably going to make the top of my bowl somewhere around here. I guess I didn't get it centered that well. I got to go clear down to here. I may leave some of this live on here. I don't want to get rid of all this pretty burl. I want to keep as much of it as possible. But I do want to go past the pith, the center of the pith, and get down here, probably somewhere in this neighborhood. That's the reason I'm going to go down there, is to keep hopefully to keep the bowl from cracking. Somewhere down here. So. Oops, too far. There I am. Safety police, I got my jacket off now. A tip for new folks, if you got a pocket exposed somewhere, tape it up. Keep it from filling with chips. Chips in your dryer can start a fire. My safety tip. Alright. We do a couple things here, and I will start this back up and show you where I'm at.